Hello and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mushaf Naveed and you're watching YM Productions. Every human being is the same. No one is superior to anyone. God, who created the heavens and the earth, created the universe, and there is nothing wrong with that. So is it possible that he made a mistake in creating us humans, made a man white or black or brown, but we began to identify with the race? There are racist people all over the world. In fact, these people are full of pride because they are white or brown, so they think the earth has made them best. But these people are also racist for some other reason, because they have a certain kind of problem in their own thinking. Such people do not belong to their family or anyone else because they only like the color of their skin. Like if they don't like black, they don't even talk to black people. Today we need to change our thinking. Racism is a very serious disease that afflicts our society. Today we can see that there are very few racist people, but one rotten apple holds whole lot. Today we need to change our thinking. Today we can see the whole world united because of one strategy. They forget that there is corona outside, but they have come out of their homes to eradicate the disease of racism from their homes and societies. The Holy Prophet, peace and blessing of Allah be upon him, said, "A white has no superiority over black, nor a black has any superiority over white except by pity and good actions." Let me give you an example of racism. This is not a good example, but I have it, so I'll apologize for today. For example, you are on your way and you see three cats. All three cats have different colors. One is black, the other is white, and the other is brown. Now all these cats have the same characteristics except skin colors. Now if you see cats and you like a white cat, and you will force the other two cats to run away because you don't like their skin colors, so you're wrong, because these three cats are the same except for their skin color. You can never judge them by their skin colors. We need to change our thinking today. Nothing was going to happen from these demonstrations. Person who has not changed, then whatever you do has not changed. All we have to do is change those who are polluting our lands. Martin Luther King said, "I have a dream that my 4 young children will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character." We have to protect ourselves from this disease of racism because it is creating injustice, oppression, and hatred in this society. I hope you guys like the video. If you like, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe our channel and keep supporting us. See you soon. Goodbye and Allah Hafiz. Pakistan Zindabad.